Tired of emailing yourself photos and documents just to get them from your Android to your computer? Let's fix that. First, the classic USB. Connect your Android to your PC or laptop using a USB cable. On your phone, look for a notification about USB connection. Tap it, and select File Transfer or Android Auto, depending on your device. Now, on your computer, open File Explorer. You should see your Android phone listed as a drive. Simply drag and drop files between your phone storage and your computer. Next up, cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive offer an easy way to transfer files wirelessly. Upload your files from your phone to your cloud storage. Then, access the same cloud storage account on your computer and download the files. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Bluetooth is another option. Enable Bluetooth on both your phone and your PC. Pair the devices. Use the share option on your Android, select Bluetooth, and choose your computer. You'll need to accept the file transfer on your PC. Finally, consider wireless transfer apps. Apps like Share-it or AirDroid allow fast, direct file transfers over Wi-Fi. Install the app on both devices. Follow the app's instructions to connect your phone and computer, then easily transfer files wirelessly. Pick the method that works best for you and say goodbye to file transfer headaches.